Hi, Robin with Oxy-Dry, and as you can see, I've got my Kirby, and I'm going to show you something about the Kirby that makes it really kind of cool. Kirby is a very good vacuum, very powerful. It has some definite advantages, and I brought it in today because I'm doing a really thick plush carpet over here in a few minutes. And only the Kirby will vacuum that because it raises up high enough that it will. So I brought Kirby in. I've been pre-vacuuming with the Kirby on all the carpets I'm doing here. And the Kirby has the advantage of being very powerful. It's a very powerful vacuum, no doubt about it. It will actually, even vacuuming this rug here, it's lifting it off the floor as I was vacuuming. Same with the other one. So it's very powerful. It's power driven, so it's very little effort to move it back and forth, and it has a much greater adjustment of the height of the brush roll in relation to the carpet. That's an advantage. Its disadvantage is it doesn't have you can put a hose on it and use it that way, but it's a little bit awkward, and so generally when I've used it in the past as my main vacuum, I would bring in my little sharp rocket and do edges and corners with that. So, I mean, it's doable to go that way, and if you really want a powerful vacuum, you can buy them used pretty darn cheap, you can't go wrong with the Kirby. But one thing it will do, I'm about to show you, is it'll do steps in an amazing way. So I'm going to show you how you use the Kirby on steps. Slide that thing over, and now the handle is locked. I'm going to do the bullnose first. To get a bullnose clean, this will do it. Okay, now the fun begins. Easier with my left arm on this side. This carpet is a polyester and it's really sucking down hard on it. Basically the way you do it. Most carpets are easier than this particular type of carpet because the polyester, it's really latching, the Kirby is really drawing it up and sucking really hard under the carpet fiber. Most carpets it'll move easier on. Anyway, I will continue on, so I thought you might be interested to see that. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.